need to try this craft while your kids are little. It is such an adorable way to carry their hands with you everywhere you go. To make it, you'll need shrink film or Shrinky Dinks, a flexible sheet that can melt and harden when heated, and acrylic paint to add your child's handprint. You'll want a nice layer of paint to leave a good print, but you don't want it too thick or it may bubble once shrunk. Let the paint dry completely and then cut your handprints apart. You can easily use a household scissors to trim around the paint, but be sure to leave a spot for your keychain hole. To make the hole, I used a 1-hole punch between 2 of the fingers. For the best results, I highly recommend placing the handprints between parchment paper. This will help it to melt evenly in the oven. Bake your handprints at 300 degrees for approximately 3 minutes. If you take it out of the oven and notice it's curled and not completely flat, you can gently press it flat while it's still warm. Once cooled, you can add your keychain accessories and carry it with you. I do recommend sealing the paint for it to last longer, which can be done with Mod Podge or UV resin. I prefer sealing it with UV resin because it helps strengthen the keychain. UV resin is super easy to use. Just add a very thin coat to the top of your handprint. You can then let the resin harden with sunlight or by putting it under a UV lamp. If you love this craft idea, you need to follow us for more like it, and